Hey guys, this is Joeteck from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And I have a sun visor cell phone holder for you. I'm sure you've seen this on Facebook. So I bought it to see how good it actually is. We're going to do a quick unboxing of it. I'm excited about it because it looks really cool. And wow, there you go. What's this say on here? Press the silver button before use. Okay, so I guess they have a lot of people breaking these bad boys, so that's interesting. So that is nice. So this is a cool feature. This will not disengage or come apart from the device itself. You can loosen it as much as you want. It'll stop and then it won't move after that. That's kind of nice. So to make adjustments, you must press these buttons to move them. And once they're in place, they're locked. So I like that. That's a nice little feature. It has the lightning connector, micro USB, and Type-C connector. And it's ratchet. And that's the length of it. Pretty nice. Nice little feature. So this plugs into your USB power, and then you have the choice of which phones you have. It's a nice little gadget for sure. However, if you have your own power cable already, you're not forced to use this because it does seem to be not as long as needed. I mean, mine's a little bit longer, but this should do the trick. So let's go to the car. Let's see how this works. I'm dying to see it. Alright, so let's see how this works. So it looks like we could pop this on like so. There's a visor. So you can adjust it. But you don't want it right in front of your face. So we're going to have to figure out where to put this. And then you have to understand that you can actually adjust this. So if I want it like this, and I can tighten it up like that. This could actually work pretty well. So, and then my phone will go like so, like that. And then, I mean, it is in my face. So what we could also do, I mean, we could put it on the passenger one. So this is the view. So I guess having it like that is not bad. If you're by yourself, that's a possibility, doing it like that. So you're driving out this way, you're looking out this way, and it's off to the right. It's a great product. I bought it myself. I did not get it for free because I wanted to see what it was like. So it works. It definitely works. It doesn't really do too much of a blind spot. So if you really wanted it out of your blind spot and you just want to look for where you're driving. So, I mean, I still have full view of my windshield, not anything more than my mirror, my dash cameras. So, I mean, just driving and just glancing over, that'll work. You got to look at your mirrors anyway, right? So this works. Excellent. So guys, I recommend the sun visor cell phone holder a lot. You could even use it on a tabletop. Now we're recording. You can't see it, but I just put it right here. And now I have another camera shot, another camera view of this recording of this video, of this review of this device. This device, rear mirror, sunroof, it does everything. It's a great product. I recommend it. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.